Okay guys, so complete everything, and this is how it look now. Pretty nice. You know, we give it 10 out of 10 guys, trust me. Pretty nice. I want to send a big shout out Kustom Interior. They send me some seat covers. They are the first one who reached out to me and willing to sponsor me and all that guys. So I really appreciate these guys to reach out to me. So we're gonna put the link in the description. You can just click the link, take it to the store. They have all different colors, all different style and all that guys, you know what I mean? Yeah, and they're fast and shipping and stuff like that. Very fast, so go ahead, check them. Okay guys, so this is what this seat cover look like. Pretty thick and nice. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on. They send some trim tool and all that, thanks to them. Big shout out to Kustom Interior. We have all of them right here guys. Okay guys, so this is how the seat cover look right now on my cousin Toyota Tundra. He paid a lot of money to get this done, cause this seat was clad, cause this is a 2015 Toyota Tundra guys, right? He paid a lot of money to get this cover, right? But this one that the guy them sent to me, this one is nice, same. We didn't take the seat out guys. You can take it out if you want, but I just pop it right here, hold it up, push down there, clip them. There's the straps, I push them down through here, over here, and then push one of my hand under here, you know, like one over here, one under here. Lift the seat up, pull it down, push the other one through here. You know, you don't have to take out the seat guys, you know what I mean? But if you want to make your life easier, you can just pop this, pull the bolts in here, pull those bolts and take out the seat if you want, but I didn't do that, you know what I mean? So yeah, so we're gonna put on some on the headrest now and just slide them in. Then we're gonna put on this piece here, and we're not gonna take out the seat, just put it on, push it through here, catch the clip underneath. These seat covers easy to install guys, and they feel pretty good. I love them a lot. Yes guys, so this is how we do it. Just bring them the strap. This one is gonna go straight across, and there's another one gonna come right here. Pretty easy guys, you know what I mean? Just clip that in, see that, catch the other one. Pretty easy, super easy guys. We don't take out the seat them or nothing. Pretty easy, just push them in. That one gonna go over there again. Nice. Strap up. Pretty nice guys. Then this one gonna go straight across now. And that's it. Just gonna drop it back down. Job is complete. See that? You just push this back in and set it up how you want it. Just pull it back, and that's it guys. Pretty easy guys. Strap them and push them through under here. Now we're gonna slide on this one too. Put on the rest of them on the headrest here. So this is the front seat guys, passenger side. So this strap right here, you just push away the seat like so, and just slide it down, and it come right through. This is it right here, and then over there, push it down, then just slide your hand under here, and just catch it guys. Pretty easy. Okay guys, so right here you just sketch this under this piece right here, just push it under like with a trim tool and stuff so you don't damage it. And then we're gonna go ahead and just slide in the headrest. I know this piece move like this guys, so alright. Let's put in the headrest right there. We need to draw this piece down a little bit more, but no worries. It's very tight. Yeah, see, sit right on top of there now. You can always pull this down some more, cover this completely. So that's it. Yes guys, so that's it. Complete it and they look pretty nice, feels solid. Really love these seat covers, and the good thing about it, you don't even have to take out the seat guys, I'm telling you. So yeah. Okay guys, so that's it. My review on these seat covers, I would say 10 out of 10. They feel like they're not thin, they're pretty thick and solid, you know what I mean? And I like the stitching in the seat too, with the white thread and stuff like that. Yeah, so I would say 10 out of 10. Trust me, I really like them, you know what I mean? So check them out for yourself. You can always purchase it or just go to this website and check out what they have, because they have all different styles, all different colors and stuff for your Toyota Tundra. I think it's from 2014 all the way up, you know what I mean? So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.